Can I turn $100 into a cozy campsite? We're gonna find out. Welcome back to TKOR. I'm your host, Creed, and this week we did something a little bit different with our survival challenge. We went to a bunch of garage sales with about $100, and my goal this time around was to see how cozy I could get, to be honest. All right, we're gonna have a running total here. I gave myself a budget of $100. Let's see if I stuck to it. First off, for $2, backpack. Let's get going. Breaking into the second item. For $1, I got 3 of these orange bottles. So that was pretty cool. This is not the lightest pack I've ever put together. Woo! That would not be practical if I were hiking farther. This is very much a glamping situation. So now for our third item, which is gonna be our shelter. A tarp, just like last time, except for this one's way bigger, so it's gonna be way better. Now it is still a little bit wet. I had to wash it off. I think that it had been sitting in that person's yard for quite some time. This was $3. Oh yeah, much better than last time, way bigger. So we're gonna do something kind of cool with this. I learned about a new kind of shelter that I can build with this, that hopefully it'll give me floor, ceiling, but also walls. Last time I didn't have walls. Hopefully I'll have walls this time. To add to our list as we're going, $1. Believe it or not, this vest, 100% free. Gave it to me for free because it didn't fit him. Brand new, never been used, absolutely free. So lucky to get that. Got a blanket here, $5. I believe this is a blow-up mattress. I did not test it, so we'll see how that goes. But this one was $3. Just because I'm gonna wanna eat soon. $20 for this. Holy crap. It's great because it has the bag, which is awesome because that can be useful for other stuff as well. It is water resistant, and then a whole bunch of food. Let's see what we got here. Pasta primavera, organic white cheddar broccoli soup, apple cinnamon cereal, brown sugar and maple multigrain, crunchy granola, strawberry granola crunch, pancakes. What? You can make all these things with this stuff. That is amazing. So I've got some milk, I've got some stroganoff, cheesy macaroni, another mac, teriyaki rice, creamy pasta and vegetables. Guys, I'm only here for one night. I didn't need to pack all of this, but I wanted to show you that I got this whole thing for $20. That's insane. Okay, let's get to the next item. A pillow, $2. Knife, which I don't know if this one's actually gonna be as useful as the other one I found, but this one was $1. This bag was free. It's like a cooler bag too. So I can put some water in there or whatever I need to. Some extra pouches and a strap. That's convenient and nice. Some more water. This bottle was $2. And this is for you, Frankie. These two things. That's your food and water. It was 10 cents, but there was a bag of like a whole bunch of stuff. This is the other knife I got. And this was $5. And I think a much better solution. This is gonna work great for gathering some wood and stuff here soon. All right, let's make shelter. This does bring me to my next item, paracord. That was $2. No, that was $1.50. Sorry, Frank, you're good. All right, let's see how we're gonna do this. I saw the video. Let's see if I can figure it out. Okay, essentially what I've done here is I've just staked those two corners, and then I folded it in half-ish. It's a rectangle, so it's not perfect, with those sides mostly meeting. And then I'm going to add a stake here. Okay, perfect little paracord situation. Now, I have a tent, basically with 3 walls. Now I just gotta fill it up. I know this sounds insane, and it is, and I'm okay with that because it's gonna be very cozy. For another $4, I got this puppy. You'll see what it is. Hang on. Oh, I'm gonna get lightheaded. That's one half. I'm sorry, I fell. That's one half. Oh, it might be in thirds. Dang it. Oh, this cup, 25 cents. Add a little bit of water. Nice little bowl of cereal. This will keep me going until dinner time. This I did technically get for the last video, but it was at a garage sale, so I'm counting it, and all three of them together were $1, so this was 33 cents. Oh, and I got a little hot pad. That's gonna be awesome later, and that was 65 cents. All right, let's get back to this thing. Did you guess what this is yet? All right, I got a couch. Come on, Frank. But I'm not gonna sleep like this because it has an extra cool feature. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna be sleeping in style tonight. $1. This is a full utensil set. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this other pad on top of that as well, just for extra comfort. And I have it, so why the heck not? They said it was like self-filling, but that makes no sense to me. Oh, it's a pump. I'm so mad I just blew that up with my mouth. That is a pump that you step on. That's freaking rad. Oh, that's nice. That is fantastic. There's my little pillow. That's fantastic. I want my feet to be downhill, and I want that to prop up my tent so it's more spacious under here. It'll be better. Nice. I think that is pretty great. All right, next I'm going to build a fire. That's going to be the next most important thing for me. So it looks like there's going to be some dead wood over here. So I'm gonna check that out. Can you find me some dry wood, Frank? Hey, nice. That'll do. All right, I'm just taking a bunch of this bark. It's really dry, and I'll be able to shred it into some really good kindling, I think. All right. I think that should do for now. I'll make Frankie come gather more later. All right, that should be a good start. Give it just a nice little dry bed. And that honestly may be enough for now because I got lucky this time around and I got a lighter. All right, I'm gonna need some more wood, but for now, that's at least started getting me some hot coals to boil some water with, so I'm gonna beauty. We got a dead oak here. That'll be perfect. Okay, so I am gonna cheat just a little bit. I have a couple of these batteries for my Milwaukee because at a yard sale I found an excellent lighting option. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about. So the light I was able to find, the flashlight was garbage. It was 50 cents, but it's not any good. Oh no, here it is. It's horrible. Like, not good at all. But that's why I got those lights. Those ones were $10. And I think they were worth every penny. This is the most light I'm gonna need. What else do I need to do? I'm just boiling water now. I'm gonna make myself some dinner and hang out. And I'm gonna keep this over here by the fire just to keep it warm and steamy. I think that this is basically ready. Got my hot pad here I can lift this out with. I'm gonna let this sit and cool here just a little bit. Anyway, look. I like it. This is great. I'm warm. All right, we're back. So what worked and what didn't? Obviously, we had some great success with the tent, tarp rather. Had a lot of fun with that. Pillow, absolutely awesome. This thing sucked. It's really cool. I love this feature. You step on it and it pumps itself up. Like that's a really cool feature. It was pretty cozy at first, but it just deflated. I don't know if it's because it was cold or if it's has a leak or something, but it was completely deflated by morning. This blanket was great. I ended up using this as my main source of warmth. This blanket, I actually put under Frankie and myself because the pads were not keeping the cold from coming up through the vast zone of air that was being chilled down by the ambient temperature. Obviously, backpack did great. I've got some things in here, including this, that I didn't use, but I'm glad that I had just in case. Vest, awesome. Worked great, loved it. Food, super necessary. Lighter, obviously use that. That was great. My utensils in here. Great little container for it, super easy to clean, and yeah, really awesome. Paracord was awesome. Worked great for putting up that tent. Didn't need it for anything else this time around, but that was awesome. My hot pad did great. Used that to, you know, pick up things out of the fire, and it was really good. Water bottles, wonderful. Now this light, this was great. This mattress worked out great. It was awesome. As a mattress, it worked out fine. There was something kind of annoying. There was a crack in between the two sections where it folds out, and Frank and I kept slipping kind of into that. My butt would like just sag down into that crack, which was annoying. And her feet kept like slipping down in there. So I had to like move her up towards my shoulders and stuff. So that was a little bit annoying, but it was way cozier than nothing, which is what I had last time. Overall, really great trip, ton of fun. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We do stuff like this all the time.